So I've been asked many times, since I have so much different varieties of herbs and vegetables, fruits, what I use them for. Well, as for vegetables, let's say like tomatoes and peppers, cucumbers, I love making tomato salad, especially with a little bit of feta cheese. So here's some right here. This is what I would start with. All those cherry tomatoes, there's a lot, about maybe 25 of them. Big sweet peppers, and just for a little bit of a zing to burn the tip of your tongue, the amazing Aleppo pepper. I love this pepper. It's amazing, delicious. Right now I just got another message about what I use with my vegetables just right now on the screen. That's funny. But yeah, so this with some cucumber, feta cheese, olive oil, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, mint, stuff like that. See you later.